In this guide, we're going to show you how you can fix it when your iPhone speaker sounds a little bit too low. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. This issue can obviously make it very difficult to hear during calls or while using apps. But don't worry, here's a bunch of different fixes for this issue. First things first, obviously swipe down from the top right of your screen to open up the control center and just try raising the volume from here and see if that does help. If not, don't worry though, because what we're going to do is actually open up the settings on a device and scroll down on this until you see the option for sounds and haptics and open it up. And from here, what you're going to want to do is actually adjust the ringtone and alerts volume to make sure that it is set high enough. From here, make sure that you physically check your speakers for dirt or debris that might be blocking the sound. If there is any in there, use a small soft brush to gently clean them out. If the problem does continue though, try force restarting your phone. You can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then holding the side power button. And keep holding that button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo does appear. Finally though, if you are on a call and the sound is still too low, tap on the speaker button, and this is going to route the audio through the loudspeaker, making it so much easier to hear. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can actually make your iPhone speaker volume a lot louder if it is too low. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.